Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hailey with Hailey Stitches, and I'm so happy that you are here. Today we are going to do a February Sew Sampler unboxing, and I'm going to show you my Serendipity Quilt Kit that I purchased from Fat Quarter Shop. That is for their charity quilt along that they do every year. So let's jump right into the unboxings. So this is a monthly subscription box from Fat Quarter Shop, and each month you get a couple of fun notions, a pattern, and some fabric to complete a project. So let's jump right in with this month's theme. For February, the theme is Make a Splash. Okay, so each box comes with a card here that explains everything that is in the box along with all the pricing. I will give you all of the pricing details and where to sign up below in the description box. So look out for that if you're curious about any of these items. So the first item is this bundle of fabric. So I will open this up, but what this is I've seen this around and they give you a kind of sneak peek for each box on their blog if you're interested in looking at it, and I saw that this panel was part of it, so I was really hoping that they were going to include the panel, and they did. So I will open it up. What this is a Moda Bella Solids panel. So this has a variety of swatches from the Moda Bella Solids line. And it is so cool. I love this idea. I have seen several other designers make similar panels, and it's so fun. I actually have the color card for the Bella Solids. I know that this is not an exact match, so it's not perfect if you're trying to color match, and you know, especially right now, everybody's buying a lot of fabric online. So I definitely would not use this as an end-all be-all for matching colors, but it is so fun, and I'm so excited to see what the project is for this. It comes along with, I think these are a variety of fat eighths, kind of a rainbow theme, so that matches along with the panel. So the pattern for this looks like a quilt. So they use the panel, and then the fat eighths are for the border around. So I am definitely gonna make this project. I'm gonna hang it up in my room. I'm working on collecting a bunch of items for a gallery wall back here, and I think this will be really fun to hang up. So I am really excited to get started on this project. The next item in here is some thread. So I believe there's a variety of different color threads, so it just kind of depends what you get in your box. But I got this sort of pale yellow, and will definitely match that project really well. Next is these Clover Pencils. So these are water-soluble pencils that you can help with marking your projects. I actually own these already, so that was kind of fun to see them in here. I used them a lot when I was making masks last year to donate, and I haven't really used them since, so I'm kind of, you know, inspired to try them again. And I love that they are different colors. It's the white, the pink, and the blue. So you can choose one that's going to show up on almost any color fabric. So that is fun, and you know, it's always nice to get double supplies, especially if it's something that you're using a lot. So this is gonna make me kind of jump back into that and see if I like them again. And then the last notion in here is this really cute spool of thread with some pins in it. It's a really fun kind of aqua turquoise color, and will be really cute in my sewing room here. Last item in here is the Greatest Hits album pattern. So they host a kind of block of the month throughout the year, and this is track number 11. So I do think that the March box will be the last one in this quilt, and then they will start up a new one in April or May. So because I just kind of hopped on to the Sew Sampler box, January was my first box, I'm not gonna participate in this one, but I will be participating in the next one coming up. So I'm really excited for that. This will just hang out in my room and I can make the box, or excuse me, make the block if I want to. And it is really cute. Let me try to get it in here so you don't see everything, but really fun block. That would be really fun to make. So I'm gonna have to find a way to incorporate that into something new. Okay, so that is it for the Sew Sampler. Again, if you want any details about any of the products that you've seen, just check out below. And I'll also give you instructions about how to sign up and get on the waiting list for your own. Next, I want to jump into the Serendipity Quilt Kit. That is the Fat Quarter Shop's charity quilt that is starting, it's a quilt along and it's starting March 15th. So this is the Serendipity Quilt Kit. It came in this really cute box and I love how it's going to be so easy to reuse this for storing works in progress that I'm working on. So it is a magnetic closure here. So I will open it up. And this is what it looks like inside. So the top says Serendipity 2021 Quilt Along. And then it gives the definition. It says noun, finding something good without looking for it. So that's really cute. I love the theme. I think it's really fun. So this is what it looks like inside. Sorry, I'm kind of struggling. It's kind of heavy. There's a lot of good stuff in here. So to start, it comes with the Fat Quarter Shop's foundation paper piecing paper. And they give you 4 different ones here. So there's the 3-inch square and a square, 1.5 by 3 flying geese. I still have yet to do any flying geese, so this will be fun. I'm definitely gonna try to do it the traditional way just so I can learn, but I'm really excited to have these papers because, you know, it'll make them perfect, and I do know that these are kind of a trickier one to do. So they also have a bigger 3x6 flying geese, and then the last one is Courthouse Steps. I've never done Courthouse Steps either. This seems, I know it's a really common block in quilting, but it seems like you have to be very, very precise. So I think this will be fun to get it absolutely perfect. So I'm excited to try those. And the instructions are written with the foundation paper piecing, but it also is written the traditional way too. So these are definitely not necessary to complete it, but I think they wanted to include them in the box because these are a product that Kimberly's branded, so Emma sells, and they are available at the Fat Quarter Shop. So I'm really excited to try it out. It's something that I have not tried. I've not done foundation paper piecing at all. I actually bought a different pattern that's foundation paper pieced, so this seems like a good intro to learning the technique, and then hopefully I'll be able to dive into that project with a little more experience and be a little more comfortable. And then it comes with all the instructions. So if you did not get the kit, I believe that each kind of block is released on their blog each week. The first one is gonna start March 15th, like I said. But if you got the quilt kit, you kind of have everything all in one go. So I can work ahead if I want to. Knowing me, I'm probably gonna fall behind a little bit, but I'm gonna try really hard to stay on track. And then there was just a little piece here that says everything that is included in the kit. Okay. And then the last thing in here, of course, is the fabric. I have not opened it up yet, so I'm gonna open it up here with you all. So this fabric is by Corey Yoder for Moda Fabrics. I love Moda, and they team up with Moda, I believe, every year for their quilt kit to donate to Make-A-Wish Foundation. And I'm really excited about this fabric line. It's called Springbrook, and it's honestly perfect for the season. And it has fun florals and little bee motifs, really cute. So I don't want to get everything out of order. So I'll just show you. This one has a fun kind of floral pattern. This blue is the same thing, just a little bit, oh, wrong one. This blue is the same thing, different colorway. And there's a fun blue and yellow. I love blue and yellow together. I think it's like the perfect match. So I think that's probably why I was drawn to this quilt so much. And then there's these really fun bees. I love that. And then yellow with the bees and green with the bees. And then these ones have kind of these motifs and words on them. Let's see if I can read a couple. It says Fran's Garden Center, Butterfly Creamery, Flea Market open Friday to Sunday, 9 to 5, March through October. So it definitely kind of has that like farmhouse kind of boho feel. And this is the same one, but in color. Super cute. And then this one, wow, that looks really cool on camera. It really pops, doesn't it? And then same thing in yellow. Same thing in green. This green is so pretty. And then there's this fun kind of checks. It's a bunch of like checkerboards running through, kind of like reminds me of a picnic blanket, you know? And then the background is this really deep, rich navy, super, super fun. And I think that this is actually the #1 thing that drew me to this quilt, because the background was navy instead of white. And that is something that I have not seen Fat Quarter Shop do. I'm new to quilting. I started a year ago, I guess, and so they definitely could have done it in the past, but it really drew my eye because it's different than what I've seen them do in the past. They have kind of a white or off-white background a lot. I mean, that's just really common in quilting in general to have a lighter background. So the darker background really popped and made me very interested. And then the last piece I got is the backing. It's a pieced backing. So this is everything you need to piece the backing to the quilt. This was an add-on, and you could definitely just do a solid background if you wanted to, but I thought that this was really cute, so I wanted to get the fabric to do it. And it's all, you know, similar. So this is kind of that motif pattern in a light blue, and then, oh, I guess this one is different, so I'm gonna open it up to show you. Okay, so this is this pattern in white, and then the yellow bees again. It's really pretty blue and white flowers. And this is one that we haven't seen yet, the green kind of, I don't know, baby's breath, hydrangeas, daisies. Looks like a hydrangea maybe. Really cute. And then this one for all the backing. Let's see if I can find a picture of the pieced backing for you. So this is what the pieced backing looks like. It's a really cute flower. And then the rest is that really fun background fabric, this one. So I love that. It's definitely a lot busier than what I'm used to on my backs, and I think it's gonna be a really fun challenge to get it all pieced and hopefully centered the best I can on the quilt when I quilt it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed kind of digging into that quilt kit. If you are doing the Serendipity Quilt Along, I would love to know. You can follow my progress along with it at Hailey Stitches on Instagram. I'm also doing the cross stitch, so you can follow that as well at the same place. I will be periodically showing it off here as I'm working on it with my quilty talks on hoping to do those maybe once a month, and then my floss tubes every other Monday. You can kind of keep up with my cross stitch projects. I am so happy that all of you are enjoying my videos, especially my floss tubes. I've seen such a warm reaction to that, so that's really motivating. And then if you also got a sew sampler box for February, I'd love to hear what your favorite piece in it is. Mine is definitely the Moda Bella Solids fabric panel. I'm so excited to work on that project. If you want to see that finished one, again, follow on Instagram and I will post that up hopefully within the next month. And hopefully I'll have this gallery wall up very, very soon so that we can have a little bit more fun in the background. If you enjoyed the video today and the content, please like my video and subscribe to my channel to see more just like it. I will be back next Monday with a brand new floss tube. Bye.